everyone, so today I am doing yet another celebrity makeup tutorial. This time I'm doing Ariana Grande's makeup look in her No Tears Left to Cry music video, which I adored so much. I tried as well to get it quite accurate with the hair. Obviously her makeup is different in some scenes, but I've recreated the church scene. This is the makeup look that I have recreated, so if you would like to see how I have done this look, keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to be using, just to get sort of like a nice base, is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is a very good sort of moisturiser just to start things off on the right foot. So I'm just going to put that all on my face. I'm just going to add on the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Primer just to create a nice base for the foundation. So now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation in the shade Ivory, which is my go-to when it comes to foundations. And I'm just going to apply it using an oval brush. And I'm just obviously going to wet it with a bit of Urban Decay All Nighter spray, just because it's much easier. It's running out, it's running out. So I'm just going to dot that all over my face. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing my concealer, which is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Cool Medium. So I'm just going to put that right under my eyes. And then I'm just going to set it using the Rimmel Translucent Powder in the shade Transparent, using the Real Techniques Powder Blue BO1 brush. So now I'm gonna get on to doing a little bit of bronzer. In the picture I'm looking at, I'm literally looking at this picture, it actually has like a little bit of like contour thing going on. My battery's literally just flashing at me saying, you're gonna die, you're gonna die. So I literally just had to plug that in. Anyway, as I was saying, from this look you can see that the look is quite bronzed and there is a bit of contour there. So that is what I'm going to go for. But before that, I'm going to do some blusher. So the blush that I'm going for is the NARS Blusher in Orgasm, which looks like this, which is a lovely shade. And then I'm going to apply it using the Real Techniques BO3 brush, which is basically perfect powder. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going to go with the bronzer. So the bronzer that I'm using is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, I think it's called, in the shade Sun Glow or 025. This is a really nice natural bronzer, which also is a great contour. So I'm just going to sort of apply it in the way that I can see it is on Ariana, and then I'm literally just going to sort of blend it in using the soft powder brush, just because it's a little bit sharp at the bottom. So the next thing I'm going to do are the brows. So I'm just using this angled brush. I believe this was originally from MacLeod. And then I'm just going to use the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in the shade Blonde. Even though Ariana does have darker brows. This might be a similar one to the last week's tutorial, sort of like, do I go for darker brows? Maybe I might just go for it with a dark one. I'm just going to obviously apply that to the brows. And luckily as well, her eyebrows are quite thin, so this is going to be quite easy for me because I've got naturally thin brows as well, so that's all good. I'm literally just going to set them using the Rimmel Brow This Way brow gel, and it's just like clear brow gel that just like sets the brows really good. Good. I was gonna say great and then I said good, like Mean Girls sort of reference. It's like gruel. Like, oh, the gruel. I was gonna say great and then I said cool. Love it. Now I'm just going to prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So I'm literally just going to dabble it on my eyes. And then I am going to go in with the eyeshadow. So in the picture she's got sort of like a purpley sort of colour. So I'm going to actually sort of do like a gradual look rather than just like a one block colour. So I'm going in with a Naked palette. I'm going to start this shade here. That shade, which is called Virgin. I'm just going to base that on the lids of my eyes just to start with. I might zoom in for this so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, scary. And then I am going to go in with the next transition shade, which is Naked, which is this one. I'm just going to brush that just over, almost like the crease, but just above it, just a little bit. I forgot to mention I'm using the Real Techniques B04, which is like a soft shadow brush, I believe. Then I am gonna go in with the shade Buck, which is right here, just to add a bit more definition to the crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade Hustle onto the lids, which is this one here, and I'm just going to use the brush that came with the Naked palette, which looks like this, and I'm just going to use this one to apply on my eyelid. I might actually add a bit of Toasted in there as well, which is this shade, which is a lighter pink. And I'm just going to use this brush as before, which is the soft shadow brush, just to sort of merge it a bit, because I think it's almost a little bit dark. Just going to sort of like intensify the colour a little bit. And obviously she has like a sort of eyeliner sort of stroke, but it goes upwards, so I'm going to try and recreate that. But it appears like she actually doesn't really have any under eyes, it's just more like a bit of eyeliner. I might actually just add a bit of this MAC eyeshadow in the shade Sketch, which looks a bit like that, just to sort of make the colour a little bit intensified still, because I still feel like it's maybe not as purple as it should be. This is a really beautiful shade. So yeah, I'm just going to like blend it a little bit now. So now I'm just going to go in the eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I'm using, of course, is the Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner. This is literally one of the best eyeliners ever, even though I think it's like about £4, and it's literally such good eyeliner. So I'm just going to do like a massive wing. So that's like sort of the point that she has. Maybe I'm a bit too much, but it's quite similar. And then I'm just going to try to recreate the other eye, which could go horribly wrong. I'm not gonna lie. My hand is so shaky right now. It's ridiculous like how much it's shaking. I've not got the steadiest hand when it comes to eyeliner. I think it actually like blends in a little bit with the purple shadow. So I'm actually just going to put a little bit of purple shadow there just to blend it out a little bit. I'm just going to use the little side of this Decay brush just to sort of add a bit of dimension. Actually just blend with a little bit of a darker shade, just because it does look like it blends out. So I'm just going to use the shade in the Decay palette called Creep, which is this black one. So now I've just done the eye makeup. So next I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Max Factor Voluptuous False Lash Effect Mascara in black, and this is like my go-to mascara when it comes to mascara. Now I'm gonna go on and do the final bit of this makeup look, which is the lips. She has quite like pinkish sort of nice lips, so I'm going to use this New Look Super Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dark Rose, which is a lovely pinky tone. I'm just going to apply that now. Just applied the lipstick, and then finally I'm almost done. I literally just need to set my face now. So for this I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray that is drastically needs a change, like I'm literally running out pretty much. I'm just going to douse myself in this to finish off. So that is my makeup look done. I hope you really loved watching this. I really enjoyed doing this makeup look. This is the sort of makeup look that I probably wear like all the time, probably like every day. I think it's stunning, it's very wearable, it's bold but it's not like really over the top, and I really love this actually. If you enjoyed this sort of video, please remember to give it a like so I know that you love this sort of video, because I really am enjoying doing these celebrity makeup tutorials at the moment, and I hope that you are too. I'd love to as well for you to give me a comment if you have any idea on like what sort of celebrities makeup I should do next, because I'm thinking about maybe making this into like a series. If you haven't already, please subscribe to me, because I make a new video that is uploaded on Saturdays at 9 AM UK time, and maybe even hit the bell if you'd like to get notified when I upload so you don't miss any uploads. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!